Hello again, my fellow friends. Another video for you guys. Today we try to start from $1 and reach perhaps $1,000. We will stop once we reach $1,000 using only the buy now digital strategy. As always, this strategy I'm using in this video is fully explained in the course in the link in the description below. Purchase the course, learn the strategy, practice on demo account, and start making profits. The buy now digital strategy is a simple strategy, a limited number of indicators, a simple money management method. It will be easy for you guys to learn it. It will take you perhaps 1 week or 2 weeks, so you master this strategy. Please first practice on demo account only. Once you are perfect and you are 100% sure that you will stop making profits, then I encourage you to use some of the platforms that allow binary option trading. I use IQ option, but the buy now digital strategy can be used in any platform that allow binary option. And for those who've been asking me about the withdrawal, as always, be careful with this process. The withdrawal process is the only hard one. Not hard, but you need to be careful when you withdraw, how to withdraw, and how much you withdraw. There is a simple strategy to do that also. Just follow the course, learn the strategy, practice, and yeah, perhaps you will stop making profits just like me. I'm 100% you will make profit just like this, but it will take you some time. So please give it some time, keep practicing, don't rush the results, and yeah, you'll have good results. Yeah, the buy now digital strategy can be used in the OTCs and the other days. So just learn it first, master it, understand every step in the course, learn everything about it, and yeah, start making some profits. And as I already told you guys, I'm not using my real account anymore. I'm not filming my real account anymore because of the policies, different policies of the IQ option that don't allow you to share your real account, your real balance. I'm using this new account, my student's account. Yeah, perhaps later if I figure out a way to show you my real account, share with you. Perhaps I will make a live. If you want me to make a live, just comment on this video. I will try to make a live. I will see if that's possible, and I will try to make a live session trading with my real account, and perhaps guide you. Some of you will take some good advantage of the live session. If you want the live session, comment on this video. Yeah, I'll try my best, and good luck for you guys.